Today we are gonna move on to lesson 8, equivalent expressions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify equivalent algebraic expressions that have the same value regardless of the numbers substituted for the variables. Also, properties of operations can be used to verify that expressions are equivalent. For example, distributive property. Look at this video.
Lucy bakes cookies for 5 of her friends, 5 lemon and 15 chocolate, for a total of 20 cookies. This mathematical equation represents the cookies. Lucy makes 5 groups of 1 lemon and 3 chocolate cookies, and distributes them equally among her 5 friends. This expression shows the arrangement of cookies. But Carl's the only one that likes lemon, and Stacy doesn't eat sweets. So Lucy redistributes the cookies into 1 group of 5 lemon and 3 groups of 5 chocolate. Mathematically, the new arrangement looks like this, or this. No matter how the cookies are arranged, Lucy has the same number of cookies, and the expressions are equivalent. The distributive property works with algebra too. Here we have 3 times x. We don't know what x is, but we know that there are 3 groups of them. Let's add 6 of something else, represented as 3 groups of 2. The arrangement can be expressed like this, or like this. All 3 of these expressions are equivalent. The distributive property is one way to create equivalent expressions.
Page 51. Exercise 1. Are the expressions 3 times the quantity y plus 1 and 3y plus 3 equivalent for y equals 1, y equals 2, y equals 3? First, let's substitute both of the expressions by 1. Y equals 1. So here, y equals 1. 3 times y plus 1. So 3 times y equals 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So here 3 times 2 equals 6. The second expression, 3y plus 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's substitute y by 2. The first expression, 3 times y equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. And the second expression, 3 times y when y equals 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9 also. Let's substitute y by 3. So here we have the first expression, 3 times when y equals 3. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. And substitute y in the second expression, 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So yes, the expressions 3 times the quantity y plus 1 equivalent to the expression 3y plus 3. Exercise 2. Are the expressions 3 multiplied by the quantity y plus 1 and 3y plus 3 equivalent for any value of y? We substitute by 3 values only, y equals 1, y equals 2, y equals 3. But are the expressions equivalent for any value of y? Yes, because the distributive property said that 3 times the quantity y plus 1, when we multiply the number outside the parentheses by each term inside the parentheses, so it's gonna be 3y plus 3. So here both of the expressions are equivalent. Exercise 3. Complete the table below. Here we have the value of x equals. Here, when I substitute x by 2, what is the value of the first expression? 12x. 12 times 2 equals 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6 equals 18. When x equals 3, substitute x by 3 in the first expression. 12 times 3 equals 36. 36 minus 6 equals 30. So now, when the value of x equals 1, the value of the first expression equals 6. And when the value of x equals 2, the value of the first expression equals 18. When the value of x equals 3, the value of the first expression equals 30. Now let's find the value of the second expression when x equals 1. X equals 1, so 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. When x equals 2, the value of the second expression here, 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. When x equals 3, the value of the second expression, 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 3 equals 12. Now let's find the value of the third expression when x equals 1. Substitute x by 1. We have here 6 times 2 times 1 equals 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 6 times 1 equals 6. Substitute x by 2. 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. Substitute x by 3. 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. 6 equals 30. Identify which expressions are equivalent. Here we have exercise 7. 5 times the quantity 2x plus 3 equal which of these expressions? Let's use here distributive property and distribute 5 on each term inside the parentheses. 5 times 2x equals 10x plus 5 times 3 equals 15. So here we are. We have here 10x plus 15, which is the first choice, A. Look at B here. We have 5x plus 15 plus 5x. Let's write simplified equivalent expression. Take or combine like terms together. 5x plus 5x equals 10x plus 15. Also the same expression, equivalent expression. 10x plus 8, it doesn't equal to our expression. So the answer here is A and B. Exercise 8. 4x minus 8. Look at A here. We have 2 times the quantity 2x minus 6. When we use distributive property and multiply the number out the parentheses by each term inside the parentheses, 2 times 2x equals 4x minus 12. And here, so here we have 4x minus 12, not the same. 2 times 2x equals 4x minus 2 times 4 equals 8. We have the same equivalent expression here, the same expression. So it's answer B. X minus 8 plus 3x. Let's combine the same or like terms. X plus 3x equals 4x minus 8. Equivalent expression. So the answer here is B and C.